We're looking at solving this trig equation. So firstly, let's start by writing down the equation that we have. We've got sine 2x plus 60 is equal to 0.3. It's in terms of degrees, as we can see, 60 degrees, and the interval that we're solving for is between 0 and 180 degrees as well. So there's only one trig function involved here, sine, so we can go ahead and straight away do the inverse to find out what 2x plus 60 is equal to. Sine minus 1 of 0.3. Now this bracket, which is the angle 2x plus 60, we will keep intact till the very end. We will not minus 60 and divide by 2. We'll keep it right till the end. So let's go and work out what this is. So plugging this into our calculator, this gives us a value of 17.5 degrees to 3 significant figures. So we'll keep that here, 2x plus 60. Now let's go and draw the sine curve here. Draw a little sketch. And 17.5 degrees is somewhere along here. So let's go and put that in. So there's 17.5 degrees gives us that solution. Now let's go and find all the other solutions within that one cycle for the sine curve that give us the same answer of 0.3. So the other solution that we've got is here. We'll find out what this angle is using the property of symmetry. So using the property of symmetry here, this second angle that we've got here is 180 minus 17.5 degrees. And that gives us 162.5 degrees. So we've got 2x plus 60 is equal to 17.5 degrees and also 162.5 degrees. Now we need to go and find all the angles which are within this range of 2x plus 60. But here the interval that we have is x between 0 and 180. So we need to adjust the interval here. So let's go and adjust the interval. And we want to find out what the interval, what the angle is for 2x plus 60. So if I write down x, the interval first, how do we go from x to 2x plus 60? Well, we need to times by 2 and then add 60. So we do the same thing to the 180 as well. We're going to times that by 2. So 180 times 2, which is 360. And then we're going to add 60 to that, and that gets us 420. And it's also greater than, so we're going to take the 0 here and times that by 2, which is 0, and add 60 to it. So that's a 60. So we need to find all our solutions for 2x plus 60 between 60 and 420. So we found so far 17.5 degrees and 162.5 degrees, which are both within that cycle. Let's go and see if there are more. So since we've found 2 of them in one cycle, the rest are found quite easily by simply adding 360, since the sine curve repeats every 360 degrees. So if we take 17.5 degrees, so I'll just go and write those solutions here just to make it clear. 17.5 degrees, we've got 162.5 degrees. I'm going to take the 17.5, since these are my 2 in my within one cycle, I can find the rest by simply adding 360. So I add 360 to that. So 17.5 add 360, that gets me another solution, which is 377.5 degrees. And again, I can see this is within my range. It's less than 420, so that's valid. I'll take this 162.5 and see if I add 360 to this, will I get another solution which is less than 420? And the answer is no, because if I add 162.5, add 360, I end up with 522.5. It was just a check to see if I do get something. It's not, so I'll just cross that out. Now, I found all my three solutions for 2x plus 60. Now I can go and find out what x is. So I kept my angle 2x plus 60 intact till the very end. So now I'm going to minus 60 from both sides and divide by 2 in order to find x. So minus 60 divided by 2 and minus 60 divided by 2 to my left hand side and right hand side will give me what x is. So x is equal to, so I'm going to do that with each angle, 17.5 minus 60 and then divide by 2. That gets me minus 21.25. And I'll do the same with 162.5 minus 60 and then divide by 2, and that gets me 51.25. And likewise 377.5 minus 60 and then divide by 2, and that gets me 158.75. So these are my solutions for x within the range 0 to 180, which was the original interval, and we can see that these fit the original interval.